Top two teams of the Serie. As Berami gets the job on the number 21, and then the shot on goal, and Chiellini has scored for Juventus. 10 minutes gone, Juventus 1, Napoli 0. Giorgio Chiellini getting on the score sheet. And
start for Napoli. Really not what you wanted. I was just about to say that Juve were just starting to find their feet. A corner, a free kick, and what a bullet header that really was. Great ball played in by Pirlo.
It was indeed. Pirlo getting away from Berami all too easily there, and then a majestic header from left-hand side. He uses the Colombian. Inside now for Inler, who can shoot. Inler takes a deflection. It's there. Napoli have equalised with 2 minutes remaining in this first half, and Napoli are level.
Well, this is it, Marco. I was just going to say it was a horrendous error at the quickly a game can change. Juve really should have buried the match already, and they find themselves level now. And that deflection possibly just taking it away from looping it over Buffon.
I've seen it before, Inler from distance. This is goal number 5 for the Swiss midfielder. It has taken a deflection, but